Actually, it was raining and then the rain stopped luckily so that we can have a quick dip. And the weather is perfect. Love how the sky cleared up just for us to have a little dip. Hello guys, it's our first night in ANMON and we're gonna have barbecue for dinner. So these are the barbecue set that we chose. So it comes with lamb, pork, chicken and corn, marshmallow, salad, rice, potato. This is the oil for barbecue and these are the sauces, sweet sauce, curry and satay sauce and the juices that we chose. Yeah, the fruits, and we are going to have our barbecue right here. Look at these little tents. Do you think they look so magical? It's like a set from a movie. I really love how these tents look. And okay, so this is where we're going to grill our food over.